You're interested in comic book conservation, please join us on Facebook at the Comic Book Conservation Community, where we have a gathering of experts in the industry, and you can ask all of your questions that you need to know about what you need to do to conserve and preserve these beautiful works of art. Please join Dr. Paul from Liberty Hill Comics, Phantom Phil from Phantom Restorations, and myself, Captain Larry from Flying L Comics, every Sunday night on YouTube at 8:35 p.m. Eastern. We talk about everything comic conservation and what's happening in the market. So please come join us. You can find us at Liberty Hill Comics on YouTube and Flying L Comics on YouTube.
Now, here's another side project I've been working on. This book was severely damaged, a lot of pieces missing, completely torn out spine. This is a single staple issue, it's from 1942. We corrected everything. It's smooth, it's flat, looks nice. I'll show you the back side. This we leaf casted it, trimmed it up. I had a few corrections that I had to make that were looked like they were not going to hold well, but now everything's smooth and looks good. So I just want to show you what this looks like coming out of a 12-ton press. It makes all the difference in the world for your leaf cast. So it's smooth. I can't feel any edges whatsoever. Coloring looks nice. I'm very happy with this. So this will be ready to go together, back together very shortly.
If you liked today's video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. That way you can get a notification when I have a new video coming out or a follow-up to this one.